Today we're going to show you how to pair Apple CarPlay into your Jeep Wrangler. So if you have this infotainment screen, it will work. There's a few different ways to do it, but the easiest way is to begin by selecting Phone over here on the side menu. So go ahead and pick Phone there, and then you're going to say, do you want to connect a new phone? You may not have this menu pop up if there's already a device. So what you're going to want to do is click on the Device Manager down here in the corner. So now there's one other little button you have to click over here on the side, just the Device Manager or Add Device. And then you're going to want to ask it to start searching for Bluetooth devices. So we're going to look for UConnect once we select that. So now back to our phone, you're going to have your gray little cogwheel that says Settings. So if you select Settings, the third thing down here is going to be Bluetooth. So we'll go to Bluetooth, and then you can scroll all the way to the bottom, and that's where we're going to find that UConnect. So that's the matching numbers from the system. So you go ahead and select that. And now on our infotainment screen here, it's going to give you a number. So if that number matches the same one that's on your phone, go ahead and select Pair there. And then you can select Yes over there on the infotainment screen. And then it will allow contacts and favorites to be synced. We'll go ahead and select Allow there. And then we'll get one more prompt saying to connect to Apple CarPlay. So once we click Connect here, we just have one more little button to select back on the infotainment screen. So selecting OK, and then we already selected that on our phone, so one more OK. And now we're going to have wireless Apple CarPlay in our Jeep Wrangler. So that's going to give you text messaging, Google Maps, Spotify is going to be all built into there. You also get another menu here, which is pretty cool. Kind of gives you some of your reminders, calendar updates, and things like that. So that's all it's going to take to pair wireless Apple CarPlay. Sometimes if it doesn't work, you have to restart the vehicle or try to just research with the Bluetooth on your phone. Sometimes if you go back and then into it again, it will also start to load the system.